My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test.
Yes.
Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Let's take a start. This is speaking part 1. You will have to answer some questions. Are you interested in the news?
Yes, I am. I feel that I am very interested in news that it because it gives us information about the daily routine works, what's happening in the world and internationally on the international level.
Alright. Do you read a newspaper regularly?
No, as I am a student, so I have to go school early in the morning and I read newspaper at the weekend on Sunday basis.
Do you believe everything you read in the newspaper?
I think that I do not read everything in newspaper, but I read the highlighted captions in the newspaper that gives me information about the important happenings in the world or in and my country.
Do you believe, can reading a magazine or newspaper help you learn a language?
Yes, because when we are reading newspaper, we come across different kinds of vocabulary that are very useful for us in our daily routine work, and we can speak these words in at school or in workplace where we are working.
Alright, we now go on with speaking part 2 and your topic is describe a newspaper or magazine you enjoy reading. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. After 1 minute, you will speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
As uh, as I am a student, so it is very important for me to read the newspaper because we came across different kinds of vocabulary around in the newspaper. And on the weekends, I read Dawn newspaper, and in Dawn newspaper, because it is a globally newspaper, and many people in country or globally read this newspaper. The important section in this newspaper I read is sports or business sections, because in this era the most upper levels of the well paid, highly paid jobs are business, so it brings me closer to the different entrepreneurs or different business mans. And in sports, as we all know that T20 is going in the world, and I came across a news about the cricket matches. As I do not watch TV, so I came across all the kinds of news through the newspaper.
Thank you. Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 3. How do most people get their news in your country?
There are different ways of social media, but most of the people in this era of technology, most of the people read newspaper on mobile as by using Facebook or different kinds of newspaper channels. But I think that the most sufficient method of reading newspaper is the magazine, because it is most sufficient and we can get all the information in briefly in description, and so that's why most people read newspaper.
Is the internet a trustworthy source of news?
Yes, I think that internet is a worthy source, because most of globally world people from all the world are reading news, and it's a highly trusted place from where people can get news about different topics or different time.
How do you think people will get their news in the future?
In future, with the advancement of the technology, most people will get their information on social media, because I think that people will not have any time to read newspaper or wait for a newspaper to come at their house, so they will just read their newspaper on the social media.
Alright, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Okay, now let me just give you some feedback. As we started the test, you were giving some wrong answers. Like my question was, do you believe everything you read in the newspaper? You did not even understand the question and your answer was totally irrelevant. One common thing you are doing, you are repeatedly using same words with almost same ideas to answer every question. So for each question, you need to come up with new ideas and different words. And this word is your most favorite, came across. You used it at least 8 to 10 times throughout your speaking test. In some of my questions, you could use it in present tense, come across. Come across is an idiomatic phrase. You can use it, but present form. But you are using came across every time. Then in your cue card, you said globally newspaper. Globally is not the right word. You should have said it's a global newspaper, right? And then you mispronounced the word entrepreneur. Then you use this came across 3 to 4 times. You could use it in present tense as well. And then you're lacking ideas. Main thing is ideas. Somehow your answers are similar. Even if I change the question, somehow your answers are same: global, newspaper, international, come across, and all that. So you need to come up with a variety of ideas as well. Looking at all these things, at present, I'll rate your speaking at 5.5.
Okay.
Right? Thank you.
Thank you.